How to factory reset BlueAnt Pump Air Nano earbuds if the earbuds become unsynced, so you're only getting sound out of the left or the right ear, or if they're not pairing to your device, if they're not working, you're not getting sound, they keep disconnecting. This will fix a lot of these issues. You will need to set everything up once again once you do it, but if this is something you want to do, we can go ahead. It's quite easy to do. All we need to do is we're going to start by putting the earbuds in the case like this and leaving the case open. And now the indicator lights on both of the earbuds needs to be on and solid. If the light is off, it won't work. If the lights are blinking, it won't work. It should be on solid, indicated they're charging. Once that happens, we're going to come in and simultaneously hold the button on the back of each earbud for 10 seconds simultaneously until both of the lights blink 3 times, indicating that the reset is complete. And now we can go ahead, take them out of the case, wait about 10 seconds because since they're reset, the earbuds will now need to resync with one another, at which point we can go ahead and set these up like a new set of earbuds. And you can check the link in a pinned comment if you're interested in getting them.